All right, everybody. One of my personal favorite discs. Hello, everyone. Zach here, and I have another mystery box. This again is from Suze, who is dyeing discs. We have them up on the website, mandatorydiscgolf.com. They're featured right in the front, dyes by Suze. Go ahead and click on the link, check them out, help him out. Everything's going to him. He is having fun dyeing these things and has done a wonderful job so far. So let's see what he's got up for us next. So we've got quite a few here today. It's a big box. So let's... I already like the first one. So it says First Flight Avalanche on here. The foil stamp is Discraft. And I think it's a DGA disc. But check out the bright colors. And the super cool wolf. We'll get flight numbers up here for you so you know what they are. But awesome start to the box. Handy little display. Awesome first start. And again, lots of different styles. Got a little bit of a leopard type print going on. Well, funny colored leopard. It is the Detour. Oh, nice. So, Lab's second Detour. Excellent. I like the bright colors for sure. All right. This feels like the optoplastic, I would say. It's the 15-year anniversary. I don't know, 15 years of the Pure? Has it been that long, everybody? Yeah, it doesn't say the plastic type on here. 174 grams. And has that cell dye on it. Thank you, whoever cleared that up for me and named the type here with the cell dye. Really cool style. Pure. Well, no mistaking what this next one is, everybody. Big writing. That swirl is cool. Wow. Super sweet swirl job. Suze, you're killing it. So many different styles. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh. All right, Discraft fans. We have an ESP Luna. I like how this one has all the rainbow colors in it. I like the blue with the kind of fading into the brighter colors. We had the darker palette into the lighter ones, and awesome job on not mixing and getting brown too. Because I know that can definitely happen mixing colors. So this is from Arsenal Discs, the C4. It was clear. Now it's not. Arsenal's C4. The clear really comes out cool. Almost looks like a stained glass. And for the giveaway from last video, we had 8 of you vote for what's going in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and that was the M1. 7 of you voted M1 out of the 8, and we had 1 for the Dart, so pretty unanimous for the M1. So that's going in. Hopefully one of you will win it at 1,000. For the last video, we have the Gorgon. I threw this a couple of times. I just didn't like it, but I know a lot of people do. So hopefully whoever wins it will enjoy it. So again, 8 sides. Let's see who the winner is. Number 3. Awesome, congratulations. Send me an email, zach@mandatorydiscgolf.com. Let me know where to send this and I'll get it out to you. Again, the Innova Gorgon. Now, back to the video. Another clear one with the cell dye style. The Escape. The clear is really neat. Wow, really neat. Wow. Another trail. Now, I got a trail from him, and it's making it really tough to keep mine and not swap out for another one. This one is really sweet. Really great coloring. Again, another different style. Very unique. I like how he's switching it up. Got another pure. So for those of you who putt with the pure and are looking for 2 of them, well, look no further and be one of the coolest putters out there. Got 2 awesome dies. Putt in style. Ooh. So really cool here. Did the yin yang. Awesome design here. And Innova Mako 3. I bet this will look cool spinning. Getting real creative here, Suze. Oh, wow. Big Dragon fan. I'm a big Dragon fan. Luna ESP. Wow. I don't bag a Luna, but that is really cool. Well, all you pure putters, got another choice. Judging by the feel of this one, compared to those 15 anniversary ones, pretty sure they're the Opto. So, got another pure. Ooh, getting into some Discmania stuff now. Whoa. This is a Flex 1 C-Line FD3. It's got the Doomstone. This is super flexy. It feels really nice. It's very comparable to the, I'd say, the Prodigy Ultra Soft. But yeah, this one is really cool. Yeah, definitely comparable to the flexiness of the Ultra Soft on Prodigy. The Doomstone FD3. The Meteor. And another clear one that came out really nice. I like how they look like the stained glass. You can see it from the back. Z-Line Meteor. All right, everybody. One of my personal favorite discs. A dyed buzzsaw. Really awesome. Another Meteor. Yeah, the clear is really neat. This is my first time seeing a clear disc that has been dyed. Probably not for a lot of you, but definitely my first time seeing something like this, and they are super awesome. He was telling me about it, and I wasn't quite sure how they would come out, but absolutely amazing. Another clear one. The cell dye style. Meteor. Again, just a different coloring, different style. Z-line plastic, clear. Just great. Got another pure. This is another 15th anniversary. I think I said 15 before, 15th. Awesome, awesome. Again, I think these 15-year anniversary editions are Opto plastic. They feel very similar to the other Opto. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. All right. The beefcake. The Innova Toro. Definitely a beefy disc. Again, I'll have numbers up there for you, but this one has the numbers. It's a 4213. That's 42 positive 13. So very torque resistant, I'm guessing. I haven't actually thrown one, but just from watching people throw them. A lot of people rip these on forehands. Oh, it does feel nice on the forehand. Yeah. Cool. Very pretty beefcake for y'all. Yeah. Okay. Going back to Axiom. This is the Crave. So nice straight, maybe a little understable. Wow. But yeah, cell die, really cool. Oh, I think we're getting to the last one. Oh, yes, we are on the last one. Nothing underneath. So last one. Nice. Kind of a bursty cell die on the ESP Luna. So again, Luna and Pure fans, really sweet here. You can get 2, 3 of each and putt in style. They are extremely beautiful. All right, everybody. So that's it. Awesome selection here. Very colorful. Very unique. And some crazy different stuff going on. Support Suze. MandatoryDiscGolf.com. The exact link to his spot on the website is down below. Dies by Suze. Help him out. He is doing amazing. Comment down below what your favorite one was. Thank you all for watching. Peace.